Investing in cryptocurrency is a potential field, but also risky, so choosing a reputable and safe exchange is very important. If you don't know which cryptocurrency exchange is the best, then refer to the 5 exchanges that Nguyen suggests here. In this video, Nguyen will share with you the top 5 cryptocurrency exchanges, also known as crypto exchanges, that are large and reputable. Top 1, Binance, a leading exchange in the crypto market for nearly a decade. Besides providing products like spot, future and margin at 650 trading pairs, Binance also offers users an ecosystem that includes NFT, marketing, Binance Research, Binance Launch Pool. However, between the years 2020 and 2023, Binance has encountered several legal troubles, causing many investors to worry that Binance could collapse like FTX, so users should limit storing all their assets on Binance. Number 2, after Binance is the exchange OKX. This is a trading platform that is quite active in marketing to attract new users, and their strategies have been relatively successful as the trading volume of OKX continues to increase. The peak was with $7 billion in one day. In the year 2020, OKX currently has a standout product that can be mentioned, such as the web wallet. On the other hand, OKX is an exchange with a relatively difficult interface to use compared to exchanges like Binance, Bybit. At the same time, with its position as an exchange with a leading trading volume, OKX supports relatively few trading pairs for users, currently having just over 300 trading pairs. Third place goes to Bybit. 3 is Bybit. Bybit is one of the top 5 exchanges in terms of trading volume, reaching $1 billion in one day. The highlights of Bybit include a set of tools that fully serve users' trading skills, such as copy trading. ACA trading bot future market. Compared to leading exchanges like OKX Binance, the Bybit exchange is inferior in terms of interface as it is difficult to use. The rolling pot feature is not as attractive as Binance's rolling pool, but Bybit has the advantage of offering more trading pairs and more events than the above 2 exchanges. Number 4, that's the Bitget exchange. Bitget is a cryptocurrency exchange known for its diverse service system and trading platform, including spot trading, futures contracts, copy trading, and pre-market trading. In recent years, Bitget has continuously carried out campaigns to increase brand awareness and attract users, becoming one of the top cryptocurrency trading platforms in the crypto market. As of the second quarter of the year 2024, Bitget recorded impressive growth. The futures trading volume on Bitget increased by 146%. The number of users on the platform reached 25 million globally. In the first half of 2024, Bitget had the largest market share growth at 38.4%, attracting around $700 million in new capital. In terms of security and reserves, Bitget maintains a high reserve ratio, with a total reserve ratio of 176%. Additionally, the Bitget Protection Fund has an average valuation of $429 million, making it the second largest among exchanges. The Bitget token, BGB, was ranked by Forbes magazine as one of the top 10 best performing tokens in the first half of 2024, with a 100% increase. Top 5 is the BingX exchange. BingX is the largest leverage exchange in Taiwan. Established at the end of December 2017, the main product of BingX is CFD, which means contracts for difference. Thus, it can be seen that BingX is an exchange that can provide you with the opportunity to earn profits effectively and safely, thanks to the characteristics of the CFD exchange. The advantages of the exchange are easy use, high security, and support on multiple devices, and support for high leverage. On the Bing's platform, the copy trading feature is considered a noteworthy feature of the Bing's platform. With this function, Bing's will attract more users compared to other platforms. Help matuto sa naman hindi tao sama help users make money on the Bing's platform. These are the top 5 platforms I mentioned, along with their advantages and disadvantages. Here are the 5 platforms I shared with you, each with its own pros and cons. If you are new users and have never traded on any platform, then Binance is the easiest and best rated choice among cryptocurrency exchanges. However, if you are experienced traders or professional investors looking for platforms with low fees and various trading features, you can consider OKX Binance and Bybit. If you don't have much trading experience and want to copy the trades of experts, then Binx and Bitget are also potential choices. There are quite a few experienced traders you can copy from to make a profit through copy trading. And I will leave for you in the video description the registration link of the top 5 exchanges. When you register through my referral link, you will get a discount of 10% on transaction fees, which will save you money in the process of investing in cryptocurrency to help you optimize your profit more. Hopefully, you will get useful information to choose a suitable exchange. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.